Sorting in Excel feels basic until you realize you've been missing the smarter way to do it. Welcome back to SASVIS Pro. In this video, I'll show you powerful sorting techniques that save times, clean up your data, and make your work like a pro. From your desktop, open an Excel file. Here I have multiple data on this file and I want to sort this out. So first, select the column by clicking on the name, like selecting the B column. So I'm clicking on it. As you can see, the whole column is selected right now. Then at the above toolbar, you will see an option called, in the editing section, sort and filter. Click on it. From here, click on sort A to Z or Z to A. Here are two options. You can also custom sort. Here a custom sort example or a window pop-up. Now I don't want a custom sort right now. I want to sort from A to Z. So I'm clicking on it. As you can see, a new window has popped up. If it is asking us if we want to expand the selection or not. If you don't want to expand the selection, just click the below options. Or if you want to expand the selection, click on the above option. I want to expand the selection, so I'm clicking on the above option. Now click on sort. As you can see, everything got sorted from the letter A to Z and how it sounds. For example, here you might think, why it's Chicago at the under the S? It should be at above, right? Because A, B, C is the third letter, but how we pronounce Chicago is how the sound came the S sound, so it came under the S selection. And yeah, it has categorized everything, and yeah, your whole data is sorted now. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you a lot. If don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and stay with SASVIS Pro. See you in another video. Bye.